Never give up. A young man was about to jump into a well. Birbal said, "Stop! What's the matter?" The man said, "I wanted to be a farmer, but it didn't rain. The crops died. I tried to be a shepherd, but a wolf killed my sheep. I'm fed up." Birbal said, "Come with me." He took the man to a mahout's house. There, they saw some elephants tied with thin ropes. Birbal told the mahout, "Tie these elephants with a strong chain, or they will run away." The mahout said, "When these elephants were babies, I tied their legs with the same ropes and they could not break them. As they grew, they believed these ropes couldn't be broken, so they stopped trying." Birbal told the young man, "Did you hear? The elephants have stopped trying. They don't know their strength." The man said, "Thank you, sir. I will never stop trying." Birbal's secret. One morning, the topic of discussion in the royal court centered on women and loyalty. But Birbal said, "Women can't keep secrets, Your Majesty." Akbar asked, "Can you prove it?" Birbal said, "Give me a week, Your Majesty." Next day, Birbal pretended to be crying in his room. His wife asked, "Why are you crying, dear?" Birbal said, "Promise me you will not tell anyone that I have laid an egg." In the afternoon, Birbal's wife told her best friend about the incident and added, "Don't tell anyone." However, the friend was not able to control herself. She told another friend. He laid 3 eggs. The number of eggs grew with each person. By the end of the week, everyone in Akbar's court knew that Birbal had laid 100 eggs. Birbal's wife apologized to him when she learned that this was a rumor. Akbar said, "Birbal, you win." Birbal smells a rat. One day, a man entered Akbar's court and said, "Your Majesty, I have a special skill. I can train animals to speak like human beings." Akbar asked him, "Can you train my horse?" The man said, "Certainly, Your Majesty, but I will need a lot of money. It will take 10 years to train your horse." Akbar agreed and said, Take my horse and the money. But if you fail to train it, I shall punish you." The man agreed. "Wait, Your Majesty," Birbal intervened. "This man is asking for a huge sum so that he may live comfortably for the rest of his life. Nobody can guarantee whether the man, you, or your horse will live for 10 more years. This man is taking advantage of your kindness. Let him train your horse in the palace grounds." The man said, "Excuse me, Your Majesty," and he hurriedly walked out of the court. Spilt tea. Once, an intelligent man from a faraway country visited Akbar's kingdom. He had heard of Birbal's wisdom and wanted to meet him. Birbal invited the man to his house. They enjoyed discussing many topics. After a while, the man said, "Sir, please offer me a few words of wisdom." Birbal smiled. Then he asked his servant to bring them tea. When the tea arrived, Birbal offered to pour the tea from the teapot. He continued to pour tea even after the cup was full. As a result, the tea began spilling over the rim of the cup, onto the table, and ran all over the floor. The man said, "Sir, the cup is already full." Birbal said, "Like this cup, you are full of knowledge. You should use it. Otherwise, it will be wasted, like this tea." The man thanked Birbal. He went back to his country and started teaching children. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.